Pragmatism in philosophy of education, aims of education, curriculum of education, method of education, role of teacher, criticisms for Odisha B.Ed Education Honours. Pragmatism in philosophy of education, 16 marks. Introduction. Pragmatism is a modern and dynamic philosophy that emphasizes practicality, experience, and action. Originating in the United States in the late 19th century, major proponents include John Dewey, William James, and Charles Sanders Peirce. According to pragmatism, truth is not absolute or fixed. It is constantly evolving based on experiences and outcomes. In education, pragmatism rejects rigid doctrines and idealist metaphysics, instead promoting learning through problem solving, experimentation, and active participation. It encourages learners to engage with their environment, test ideas, and adjust based on real life consequences. 1. Aims of education in pragmatism. Pragmatic education does not follow fixed aims, rather, it adapts goals according to changing societal needs. The key aims are growth, adaptability, and social efficiency. Education is seen as a continuous process of reconstruction of experiences. The ultimate goal is to prepare individuals to deal effectively with real life situations. It emphasizes the development of democratic values, critical thinking, problem solving ability, and a scientific attitude. It seeks to train learners for practical life by helping them become socially responsible, creative, and cooperative citizens. Though curriculum in pragmatism, pragmatists advocate for a flexible, activity based, and learner centered curriculum. The curriculum should be based on the child's interests, needs, and experiences rather than rigid subject content. It must promote learning by doing and connect with the real world. Core areas include practical life activities, science, technology, social studies, arts, and vocational training. The curriculum should include projects, experiments, excursions, crafts, and social service. It should not be static but continuously revised to keep up with changes in society. Integration of subjects rather than compartmentalization is promoted to reflect the unity of knowledge in real life. 3. Methods of education in pragmatism. Pragmatism emphasizes experiential and active learning methods. The project method, introduced by Kilpatrick, a follower of Dewey, is central to pragmatic education. In this method, students learn by undertaking purposeful and real life projects that require planning, execution, and evaluation. Learning by doing is the guiding principle. Problem solving, observation, experiments, group work, and discussion are key strategies. Teachers encourage inquiry and reflection, helping students construct their own understanding. Learning is not limited to the classroom but extends into the community. The process is more important than rote memorization, and mistakes are viewed as natural steps in learning. 4. Role of the teacher in pragmatism. In pragmatism, the teacher is not an authoritarian figure but a facilitator, guide, and co-learner. The teacher creates a democratic and interactive environment where students feel free to explore, ask questions, and engage in meaningful activities. Rather than imposing knowledge, the teacher helps students discover knowledge through experience and reflection. The teacher designs learning experiences based on students' interests and real life relevance, encourages collaboration, and supports problem solving. Teachers also play a key role in moral development by modeling democratic values such as cooperation, tolerance, and respect. 5. Criticisms of pragmatism. Despite its practical strengths, pragmatism faces several criticisms. Some argue that its rejection of fixed aims may lead to a lack of direction in education. Its emphasis on change and relativity may undermine stable values and traditions. The focus on experience and experimentation may neglect theoretical knowledge and long term goals. Excessive flexibility in curriculum and discipline may result in lack of structure and seriousness. Moreover, pragmatism may not suit all educational settings, especially those that lack resources for activity based and project oriented teaching. Conclusion: pragmatism has made significant contributions to modern education by promoting activity based, learner centered, and democratic teaching practices. It has shifted the focus from rote learning to experiential understanding and from authoritarian teaching to participative learning. Despite its limitations, pragmatism remains a relevant educational philosophy in today's rapidly changing, globalized world. It teaches us that education is not preparation for life but life itself, and it should empower learners to face real world challenges confidently and ethically.